Planning a trip with the Transperth Journey Planner is easy. Simply press Journeys on the homepage, then Plan a Journey. Enter your start and end locations, then choose a journey from the options shown. To plan a return journey, use the arrows button and the journey will be reversed. If you'd like to track your bus, train or ferry, there are 3 ways to do it. From the Journey Planner results, select a journey. Then tap the blue Live Data link. This will take you to the live tracking map. Or select stops and stations in the menu to find which services operate from any bus stop, train station or jetty. Choose a stop or station from the live locations on the map, or enter a location in the search bar. A list of live and scheduled services will pop up. Tap on any of those with the yellow Live tag to track the service. You can also use the timetables option in the menu and search for your bus, train or ferry service. Then simply choose the service you want to track. Saving a route will allow you to quickly see when the next service departs. Start by selecting Routes on the homepage and search for the bus, train or ferry service you'd like to save. Select your service, then use the heart to save it to your favourites. You can save multiple services and they'll appear under Routes in the Favourites page. If you plan a regular journey and want to save it, simply tap on Save Journey. Give it a name and press Save Favourite Journey. Your journey will then be saved on the home screen under the Journeys tab. If there's a particular place you'd like to save, anything from a bus stop, train station or jetty, to your favourite cafe or restaurant, select Places on the homepage, then Add New Place. A map comes up showing your current location. If that's the place you'd like to save, you can name it, then select Add New Place. Or you can navigate with the map to select a place to save. Then simply click on a saved place and the Journey Planner will show you the services that can take you there. To link your Smart Rider to the Transperth app, you need to register it. To do that, select My Account in the menu and enter your details. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking Create an Account. Using your Smart Rider entitles you to a 10% discount on most fares. But if you use AutoLoad to add value to your card, you'll get a further 10% discount. To set up AutoLoad, select My Account in the menu. Fill in your details and set the amount you'd like to have added to your Smart Rider each time. When your Smart Rider balance is low, AutoLoad will automatically top up your card so you can tag on and enjoy a 20% discount on your fare. To keep up to date with scheduled and unplanned disruptions, service changes and more, select Alerts in the menu, then Add Alerts. Scroll through the list or use the search box and choose as many or as few alerts as you like, and notifications will be sent to your phone. If you'd prefer to receive alerts via email, simply select Email Alerts under Alert Types. You can help us to provide a better service by reporting any damage to Transperth property that you come across, including buses, trains and ferries, or stops and stations. On the menu, select Report Damage, enter the location and describe the damage or send a picture.